Professional, premium aftermarket replacement. Provides the performance and dependability you expect from ACDelco. Manufactured to meet expectations for fit, form, and function. ACDelco Professional Trunk Lock is an ideal high-quality aftermarket replacement component for one or more of the following vehicle systems: cooling, HVAC, ignition, starting and charging, body electrical and lighting, wiper and washer, and/or engine fuel management. This premium aftermarket lock is manufactured to meet or exceed your expectations for fit, form, and function. Top reviews from the United States. Seems good. It appears to be a quality product that is well priced and came quickly. Truth be told, I bought it for a 70s Pontiac. This clip with this look the closest to what I need. So it was not an exact match and does not hold the lock in the best, but I can't blame the manufacturer for that. Someone make one for a B-body Pontiac.